subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free, and also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Today's recipe is on Chakka Unniappam. Let's first see the ingredients required. Here is raw rice, about 2 cups of raw rice soaked and strained. I've soaked the rice for about 2 hours. Strain the excess water and keep it aside. Now you require jackfruit, about 2 to 3 cups of jackfruit cut and de-seeded. Jaggery, I am using only 1 cup since I am using jackfruit. There is natural sweetening in the jackfruit itself. About 6 to 7 elachi pods. Then you require coconut finely chopped. Ghee, this is homemade ghee, for which I will leave you the link in the description box below on the making, so you can check it out. Oil for frying. And these are all the ingredients required. Now let's see the making. To a mixer jar, transfer the rice. First I am transferring half, that is 1 cup. Without any water, just powder the rice. Don't add any water. Now I am adding elachi pods to the rice powder and once again putting it back into the mixer. And now we have powdered it really well. It has turned a very fine powder. I am putting back the next half, that is the next 1 cup of rice, and again powdered it as well. You can see how nice or fine the powder is. Now to the jar we are adding the jackfruit, and we have to make into a fine puri. Only half I have transferred. Beating it all together will not be fine. See, you can see it is a smooth paste. Now let's transfer it to the rice flour. Let's put back the other half of jackfruit and make it a puree as well. Now on to this we are adding the jaggery, the other half of jackfruit in which the jaggery is added, and all mixed together and put into the flour. Now mix it together. There shouldn't be any lumps, and don't add any water. I forget about one thing, is that the sesame seeds, we have to use about half teaspoon of sesame seeds. I'm sorry that I forget to show you in the beginning. This I'm also transferring this into the flour. Now in a kadai, put about a teaspoon of ghee. Let it get melted. Now add in the chopped coconuts and fry it. The coconut has to turn a little brown. Once the coconut is done, put it into the batter and mix everything together. You require this unniappa chatti, which has the molds in it. Now mix the batter well after transferring the coconut to it, and pour oil to the unniappa chatti. To fry out the Chakka Appam. Scoop in the batter into the unniappa chatti. The aroma is slowly rising up. Even I couldn't wait. Unniappam is also a very typical snacks which is being prepared in Kerala. Usually the jackfruit season falls in this season, March to April. And so we prepare it. Now flip over once if it is cooked in one side. Do this process really very slowly, maybe it will tend to break. Cook in both the sides. If you don't have this frying pan, you can use the normal frying pan as well. Only thing is, will not get the shape, that's it. This is normal paniyara chatti. You can use a normal frying kadai as well. Once you have done, remove it from the oil. Hope you will give this out a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Thanks for watching House to Home.